Top of the morning to you laddies. Welcome back to a Big Blue Vanarchy in the UK video. We've been making progress on Big Blue, and this has included, which I didn't film, us installing a max air fan. So that is now in and ready to go once we put the ceiling boards in. And today's job on the agenda is going to be putting in 2 windows on this side of the van. So I've made a template already for my windows, and you can see that I've marked them out there. I've also jumped the gun a little bit on this video and I've started drilling out some pilot holes, which you can see on the wall, if my finger will come into view, around about here somewhere. So I'm going to be putting this on time lapse so you can see as I'm doing it. It was a little bit scary. It's the first time I've drilled into Big Blue, and we have created some holes on the outside. So I'll set this onto time lapse and you can watch me install this first window. So, welcome back to Big Blue. Big Blue has had a bit of a transformation today, as you can see. I have now finished putting in the 2 windows on the driver's side. It was a little bit more problematic than I'd hoped, and if you saw the video earlier you'd seen that I was doing the cutouts. Not the world's tidiest jobs, but they are in and they are masticed up and functional, which is all I can ask. Once the battening has been done for the walls, then I'll be able to insulate and frame, and then put the blinds, the blind and fly screen. It fits right around the edge directly to the wall, so I'll be tinkering with that to get that to work. So next plans are to get the framing done on this wall and also on the ceiling. The ceiling is still in progress. I've put the max air fan in, as I said this morning, and I haven't quite finished off the treatment on the roof. So I'm using Chrome fibre paint to give the fiberglass roof a fresh coat. And once I've done the fibre paint, I'll be getting fibre free paint to make it nice and smooth and white. So that's the next jobs that are on the list, and then eventually we will get round to kitting out the floor, and this side is also going to have a window. So I've drawn where that's going to go. There's going to be a window matching that one across this side. That will give us 3 windows, and even once I've boxed in the roof, then we'll still have plenty of light in the van. So that's the next steps. Hope you enjoyed the video today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Here we are giving you a view of Big Blue as he sits at the moment. So this weekend's work has included the max air fan that you can just see on the top there, and of course putting in the 2 windows. That was our big job for this weekend. Blue is now looking rather fabulous. Still undecided really on what to do with the difference in the paint colour. It could be that we end up spraying it probably white for the easiest solution. We're not entirely sure. The new radio sat nav has gone in. We've had it working. I will demonstrate that in the next video, and that was a bit of a challenge. As you can see, we've done a lot more T-cutting on the other side because this side is an awful lot more faded, and we've been working really hard towards beginning to start framing, ready for the flooring and the walling to go in. Very pleased with progress to date. The bumpers have started fading again, so I've ordered some special G4 Technic garbage stuff, paste, that's going to come and sort that out, and apparently once we put that on it'd be good for 2 years. But Big Blue's coming on nicely, and there you go. We'll see you in the next video. Good morning, people of the internet. It's Sunday, and today we are going to be doing a time-lapse of us putting in the first lot of framing for the walls, and this will be, like I said, on a time-lapse. Going to be switching over to that in a moment, and I'll speak to you in a bit. Right, so we have now finished the framing. We have completed the one side. That was the task for today. Very pleased with how it's come out. Got the extra support button there for the kitchen units to go up against. We got the extra support around the windows, and getting it ready to do the wheel arches as well. So all of that framing is now in. Now I just got to run some wire in, and then some sound insulation, and also insulated the dead easy dodo mat. That's what we're going to be putting up against the wall. And then for the floor, we've got some of this 25mm polystyrene insulation to go down underneath the floorboards. So we should be able to make it nice and toasty. So that's the end of today's video. Thank you for staying with us right till the end. See you soon. Give us a like and subscribe.